Hey, my name is Teresa Martin, and I am going to start creating some content videos for you just to kind of share with you some Facebook marketing tips. That's what I'm specializing in here lately, and I just realized that a lot of businesses know that they should be using Facebook, know that they should be using it for their advertising, but haven't quite figured out how to go about it and how to go about it and to do it well. So there's a lot of tips out there, and I just thought that I would share them with you. Probably on a weekly basis, probably something like Tuesday tips. So anyway, I just wanted to say hello, and again, my name is Teresa, and I will let you know some tips. So here's number one tip. Your Facebook pixel. You may have heard some things about a Facebook pixel, and what that is basically it's a little tidbit of code that goes on your website. So why should you have that? Should you have that? Is it good? Is it bad? That kind of thing. Having a Facebook pixel code on your website allows you to be able to track the people that come to your website to look at your products, your store, your services. And so what happens is you can kind of tag them as they come to your website, so that when you run an actual paid ad in Facebook advertising, you can then target those people, which is a great way to do business, because why else would you want to target someone who isn't interested in your product? You can do that for name brand recognition, or to be able to start establishing your brand, to start building awareness. But it's really great when you can target the people that have already come to your website, because they've already shown interest in your product, and therefore it's also cheaper. So if you've got that pixel on your website, then you can retarget them through your Facebook advertising and target to that select group who've already been to your website, and maybe even make them a special offer. Say, because you visited my website within the last 30 days, we want to make this offer to you and you only. And so that's one of the ways that you can use Facebook for your advertising business.